A part of you feels fragile when exposed. Each time you talk, the world gets a clue where to aim. When you respond emotionally, you're giving rivals the map to break you. Whenever you chase approval, you start living through someone else's gaze. We're stuck in a noisy era, a time when acting authentic means showing everything. Shouting nonstop, laying it all out bare. Yet deep inside old Pataliputra, beneath Chanakya's cold stare, wearing your heart on your sleeve wasn't wise. It got you killed. Chanakya understood something. Today's psychologists are slowly catching up. It's not the noisiest person who holds control. Instead, power sticks with whoever stays unreadable. Right now, we'll show you how the old spies used to move. It's not running off or ducking out of sight. Picture yourself right in the middle of a busy place, greeting folks, grinning. Yet nobody really sees you. This is how you vanish while being seen. That's what the system says. Look at today's person, say, Vikram. Vikram thinks he's in control, yet take a closer look. As soon as he steps into work, his mood spills out. Irritated by traffic, he starts grumbling. Proof, he snaps fast. To colleagues, he mentions money troubles, hinting he feels weak. Instead of keeping quiet, he shares daily plans online, for likes, for attention, craving approval. Vikram's grip on control is slipping. Little by little, it's fading away because trust keeps draining out. He believes talking things out brings people together. Yet when you look at how life really works, spilling details gives others power. By lunchtime, his manager sees where he's vulnerable. Meanwhile, those looking to edge him out already have a map of what he'll do. His buddies always find the right words to push his buttons. He's like a marionette, gave away control without thinking. One moment he's showing off online, then suddenly, nothing. His mind runs empty. That's what happens when you keep pleasing people nonstop. No fuel left for yourself. Imagine a home without doors or windows. Wind blows right through it. Same thing with him. Always open, never shut. So yeah, he feels wiped out, can't focus, panics over small stuff. Projects flop one after another. Who wouldn't? You can't grow roots if you're always performing. If Chanakya saw Vikram, he wouldn't feel sorry. He'd break him down. The Arthashastra labels guys like this the weak ruler, one who pays attention to gossip, talks without pausing, craves approval instead of results. A ruler like that loses power fast. The moment hits once you get it. Being noticed ain't power, it's a trap. Break free by fading out, skip the spotlight, pick up the quiet way instead. In the Arthashastra's first book and 11th chapter, Chanakya talks about setting up spy networks. Yet don't picture movie-style agents. Forget big blasts or fast getaways. Instead, the Guptachar thrived on deception, on crafted illusions. The core philosophy is this: the exterior must never betray the interior. Chanakya used informants pretending to be monks, sacred wanderers, fools, or silent folks. Reason? People don't worry about saints. They feel safe near them. When someone seems clueless, others let things slip without thinking. The spy just bounces back whatever fits your view, so you barely notice he's there. This idea is called gopana, choosing to hide on purpose. Today it's like the gray rock trick pushed way further, almost like a lifestyle. Not about leaving people behind. Instead, you're right there among them. But you carry yourself like someone ordinary, blending in deep, acting unnoticeable by design. Once you think like Chanakya, acting natural around people fades away. Your real personality becomes something rare, like a gem hidden behind a snake's hood, not meant for traders to see, never thrown at those who won't value it. You show folks a cleaned-up image, one that's neat, proper, maybe even dull. But the true you, that sharp, driven, focused side stays behind the scenes. It keeps moving while others aren't looking. No approval needed. Why is it such a struggle? Even now, after knowing better, still want to share that picture, want to spill the details. Gotta fix what's off, right? You're up against nature, your brain wants status. It gets a hit when people notice you. When that happens, dopamine flows. The ego shouts, "I see me, I'm clever, I'm good, I've made it." That urge? Call it the Peacock drive. Yet in the wild world of influence, the flashy bird falls fast. Survival goes to the quiet hunter, the one who waits hidden till the moment strikes. The fight inside isn't about others, it's aimed at your ego. Chanakya insists on a harsh price. Ditch the side of you craving recognition. Ever win big but keep quiet about it? Hold back a killer reply just 'cause saying it changes nothing? Let folks see you as ordinary while deep down you know you're the boss. This tests the calm-minded person, someone unshaken by praise or blame. When your value rides on how they respond, you answer to them, staying quiet despite their foolishness. That's when you're in charge. Here's how we make it happen. Chanakya points us towards strategic ambiguity, still works today through 3 unbreakable rules. Law 1. When silence fills the space where words should be. When someone asks you something, don't jump in right away. Many guys talk just to ease nerves. But the quiet one? He waits, uses that gap to shift the mood. Stop for a sec, hold eye contact. Reply only to what was actually asked. Share the core point, skip the whole story. Hold back details. Someone else's mind rushes to guess what's missing. Because they wonder they see you as sharp, deep, maybe even strong. Speaking little makes you seem bigger. Not telling all pulls people closer without a word. Law 2. The bait. Quiet too much? Folks get curious. Long ago, Chanakya saw, hide all, they'll search harder. Toss out a fake clue instead. Slip in some tiny imperfection. Own up to a little mistake now and then. Grumble about nonsense, maybe rain or your favorite team losing again. That's what makes people feel they get you. Some folks figure, hey, we're pretty much the same, so they bite. Then they quit digging for what's actually hidden underneath. Law 3. Confusion about what you want. Never declare your next move. I am going to start a business. I am going to get fit. I am going to write a book. The second those words leave your mouth, tension slips away. There's a quick hit of satisfaction from telling someone. Suddenly, that urge to actually act fades. Even worse, now others know what you're after. Chanakya says, the advice of the wise should be like a fire hidden in wood. It bursts forth only when the time is right. Stay quiet while you work. Your outcomes will make the noise. Staying steady sets apart who you pretend to be from who you really are. One day spy, next day clown. Won't work. It means changing how you live. That's what we name ghost mode. Ghost mode puts vairagya into action, letting go without drama. It's stepping back from constant social noise. Think of it as taking your hours back quietly. Start with going unseen online. Disable your last seen status. Skip read receipts. They're optional. Silence app alerts completely. Stay offline when you want. Being reachable anytime isn't owed, it's a choice. Next up, emotional hiding. Quit responding to every headline. Drop the anger habit. Stay steady like a stone in a stream. Let waves hit you, yet don't budge. Once you do this non-stop, something odd shows up. Folks begin treating you differently. While everyone's shouting loud, your quiet stands out, like it costs more. It carries weight. Not just another option, you're now one of a kind. Yet life keeps poking at your secrets. People close to you might push for answers. Relatives could make you feel bad just by looking at you. Co-workers? They'll hint, tease, pull you into side talks. Not him, though. He doesn't sit around waiting. He's already 3 steps ahead, setting up fixes before trouble shows. This is pratikara, getting ready before sickness hits. So you'd better plan your protection. When they ask, why are you so quiet lately? Do not apologize. Do not explain your philosophy. Use the pre-solution. I've just been very focused on my reading lately. It's fascinating. Pivot. Deflect. If they're dragging you into gossip, just say this first. I'm not clear on what's going on, so I can't really comment. This sentence stands strong, quiet but firm, shutting things off without a sound. Build your barrier fast before trouble hits hard. Stay calm when attacks fly your way. At last, you see the change happen. You become more than yourself once you join the spy protocol. Suddenly, you're part of something stronger, moving around like anyone else, yet never really belonging. Picking up every sound without giving anything back. Watching people closely while staying invisible to them. This is total freedom. No more craving their approval. No more worrying about what they think. You've walked away from their contest, which means you're now playing your own game. You turned into the Guptachar. No one sees you now. Since nobody spots you, nothing can stop you. The way of Chanakya isn't meant for everyone. It's aimed at those few fed up with feeling powerless, if you're set on vanishing to start fresh. When darkness feels like home, that's when you belong with us. Hit subscribe on the Shadow Strategist now. Silence fights for you. Try it.